Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. A typical South African home loses between 7.5 to 75,000 litres of water per year due to faulty plumbing. To find out if you've got a major water leak in your house, the easiest way to find out is by checking your water meter. Your water meter is located outside your premises on the street curb. Take note of the reading on your water meter. The black and white numbers indicate kiloliters, the red numbers indicate liters. Write down this number on a piece of paper. Come back after an hour or two and making sure that nobody is using water inside your house. And if that number has moved significantly, then you might have a problem. If you do have a leak, call a professional plumber or make use of the Builders Get It Done app.